Once, a disciple asked the Buddha about the practice of silence and how it can lead to enlightenment. The Buddha shared a story to illustrate the power of silence and the various places where one can find it. Long ago, in a small village nestled between mountains, there lived a wise sage known for his profound silence. People traveled from far and wide to seek his wisdom. One day, a young seeker approached him with a burning question: "Master, where can I find true silence?" The sage, with a serene smile, led the seeker to 10 different places, each revealing a deeper layer of silence. 1. The forest clearing ***. They first walked to a secluded forest clearing. The only sounds were the rustling leaves and chirping birds. The sage explained, in nature, silence is pure and unbroken. It teaches us to listen beyond words. 2. The mountain peak ***. Next, they climbed to the top of a mountain. The vast expanse of sky and the distant horizon offered a profound stillness. The sage said, "At great heights, silence prevails, reminding us of the infinite." 3. The moonlit night ***. They stayed out until nightfall, watching the moon cast its glow over the landscape. The sage noted, "The silence of the night is profound, allowing introspection and deep thought." 4. The meditation hall ***. Returning to the village, they entered a meditation hall where monks sat in deep silence. Group silence can be powerful, the sage observed, as it amplifies inner peace. 5. The depths of the ocean ***. The next day, they visited the seashore. Diving into the ocean's depths, they experienced a muffled world where sound was minimal. The sage explained, in the deep sea, silence is tangible, a space for profound reflection. 6. The abandoned temple ***. They visited an ancient, abandoned temple. Its forgotten halls were filled with an eerie, sacred silence. Silence in forgotten places holds stories and echoes of the past, the sage said. 7. The desert dunes ***. Traveling to a vast desert, they experienced the silence of endless sand dunes. In the desert, silence is vast and uninterrupted, a canvas for the mind, the sage commented. 8. The library ***. They entered an old library where readers were immersed in their books. In the pursuit of knowledge, silence is respected, creating a space for learning, the sage pointed out. 9. The inner chamber ***. They went to a secluded inner chamber of the sage's home, used for personal meditation. Personal sanctuaries are where silence becomes intimate and transformative, he explained. 10. The heart ***. Finally, the sage placed his hand over the seeker's heart and said, "The truest silence is within. It is here, in the heart, that you find the deepest peace and wisdom." The seeker understood that silence is not just the absence of sound but a presence that can be found in many places and forms. It is a journey inward, a practice that can be embraced in various settings, each offering its unique lesson and depth. The Buddha concluded, "Seek silence in these places, and you will find it guiding you to inner peace and enlightenment."